Hi friends. If you are planning to visit Genting Highlands and stay at the First World Hotel, this video is for you. I will take you on a tour of the most basic room in the hotel, the standard room. But first, let me share a few things about the hotel. First World Hotel is the world's largest hotel, with 7,351 rooms. Because of the size of the hotel, they have automated a part of their guest services. Guests are required to check in themselves, using these self-check-in machines. But if you still want a check-in by the staff, you have to stand in a long queue, and also pay a counter check-in fee. The queues get really long during the afternoon time, and your wait time may be an hour, or even longer. But if you don't want to wait in the queue, you may store your bags at this facility in the lobby, free of cost, and come back later. When you finally get your room key, you have to use one of these elevators, and find your room. It may take some time, but you can do it, if you follow these signs. Let me now show you the standard room in which I stayed. This was a twin bed room, and the size of the room was okay, not too small. I had booked this room as part of the F.W.H package, because of which I got the bed linen in a bundle like this. Bed sheets, towels, tissues, toilet paper, were all in this bundle. I had to make the bed myself, and keep the other stuff in the right places. This F.W.H package will be discontinued from 2024, and all their standard rooms will be normal once again. This particular standard room had a window with a view, and I had to pay more for this privilege. It was totally worth it, because if you don't get a room with a view, you will get a room like this, which will be dark and depressing. If it is available, you must choose a room with a view, even if you have to pay a little bit extra. There is no air conditioning in this hotel, and an open window keeps the room cool. It is necessary. Let me now show you the rest of the things in this room. The beds were comfortable, and there was a TV in the front. However, there was very little to watch. There was a small work desk, a digital locker, and an open hanger stand. About the things which were missing, there was no drinking water, no coffee maker, no Wi-Fi, and no international power socket. However, in the corridor outside, there was a water dispenser, with cold water for drinking, or hot water for making coffee. The bathroom was small, with a tiny shower, but thankfully, hot water was available at any time. The room was less than adequate, and was worth a free booking only. If you have to pay for this room, you are not going to be very happy. I would love to have your feedback or questions on this. Please write a comment below, and I will respond as soon as possible. Consider giving a thumbs up if you liked the video, and subscribe for more such videos in the future. Many thanks for watching.